Hi everyone, my name is Saki and I'm the health and wellness educator at Boston Children's Museum. Ever since we've started to experience the effect of COVID-19, everyone is talking about good hygiene skills like washing hands. Even if there's no perfect way to prevent germs from spreading, a good hygiene practice helps reduce the spread of the virus and other germs. And if many people follow good hygiene practice, we will reduce the chances to catch germs or make other people sick. One of the hygiene skills that we all need to learn and always remember is to sneeze and cough into your elbow like this. Choo! That way you don't spread the germs in the air, which is a good thing so other people won't breathe in the bad germs. And you also don't want to catch them in your hands, which is also important because you touch a lot of things with your hands. And guess what happens if you catch or cough and sneeze that are filled with germs in your hands? You will be spreading the germs that got into your hands all over the place, which is not what you want to do. So always catch or sneeze and cough in your elbow. Even if you may already know this technique, it is easy to forget to use your elbow to catch or sneeze and cough. So today I'm going to show you a fun way to help remember to use this technique by making a puppet that catches germs. What you need is something that fits around your arm. When we do this activity in the museum, we use large adult-sized socks and cut the tip off so it fits around the arm. So you're welcome to do that if you have some extra socks at home. Or you can also cut a sleeve off of an old shirt. I don't have any of those things at my home, so I just rolled a piece of paper towel to fit around my arm. Then all you have to do is to decorate your arm puppet to make a creature. I drew two big round eyes with a wide open mouth with some teeth, and it will be fun for you to come up with your own design. These creatures are very special. They love eating germs, or in fact, they need to eat germs just like humans need to eat food to thrive. After making your puppet creature, you can wear it around your arm. And next time you sneeze or cough, make sure you feed all the germs to the puppet. So let's practice together. Ready? Achoo! And now my creature is very happy. So please share the puppet you created in the comment section or post with a hashtag Boston Children's Museum. And also please remember to keep checking our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram for more fun activities. Thank you for watching.